in 2012. After Ansaru came the next sprinter group called Eni to handle for one country. Then we hear of a group originally from Mali every time, because the spillover of these groups, the demonstrations on the streets to force the hand of the government to face it head only and away from certain hotspots. Ladies and gentlemen, is this the best Nigeria time? Nigeria currently ranks 10 on every type 10 list of all of them. What type of society are you building? It bothers you, especially they that hold power in the country. Omonaja, what's up? When you finally get the chance to vote for a president who may bring a difference to the country, you reject it. You vote the same cannot be done by anyone else but yourselves, unless 80% of your total population living below the global